The 2006 Dodge Caravan. The Dodge Caravan invented the minivan, offering an especially useful amount of room in a surprisingly easy-to-drive package. The Caravan quickly became the new synonym for family transportation and spawned competitors from all sides and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, anti-lock braking system, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, aluminum wheels, multi-zone climate control, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.